Hey, welcome to Ray's Homegrown Veg Garden. Today, I'm going to give you 10 jobs to do on the allotment garden during July. July is the month where you can take cuttings from rosemary, sage and thyme. So during the hot spell, keep watering the cucumbers and giving them a feed once or twice a week. Pinch out the tops of the runner beans. They don't know when to stop. So pinching out the tops will enable lower growth. And also help stray runners. Join up the pile. I've used some clips here. Tidy up your summer strawberries. Once the summer fruit and strawberries are finished, you can tidy up the old foliage, removing straw, or either cut off or discard any runners, or use them to make other plants. So every visit, keep hoeing, keep up the hoof. Thin out your apples and pears. If your trees look overcrowded, even after last month's June drop, thin them out still further in order to allow each fruit to grow to a reasonable size. Lightly prune blackcurrants. Lightly prune blackcurrants just before or just after picking the fruit. Prune again after winter. Keep watering, as this can prevent crops from bolting. Keep picking the broad beans. Remember to cut off the tops. Lift your onions and your garlic and leave them in the sun for a few days. The more thoroughly you dry them, the longer they will leak. Keep pinching out the suckers from the tomatoes. And once they get too tall, then take the tops off. Regularly check the courgettes and take them off when they're small, even if you don't need them for that day. you will produce more that way. I hope you found that helpful, and if you do, please subscribe, ring the bell and get further advance notices when I post some more. Quick cup of tea, then back to work. Thank you very much.